please remember to subscribe if you have not done so, and you can also leave a comment at the end of this video.
Also turn on the notification button so that you can be getting the notifications for our new episodes.
Yeah, so today we are going to do a prank on our friends, and we've actually bought a new line. I don't know if most of them don't have this new line, so we are going to try and see if they're going to recognize our voices at the end of the call.
Yeah, so the prank basically is about just us lying to them that they've gotten jobs on maybe, you know, non stations in our country.
Yeah, and seeing if they'll believe us or not.
Yeah, and if whether they're going to recognize our voices.
Yeah,
so this should be fun. Who should we start with?
I suggest we start with Yvonne, home girl, you know. So, and also when we are calling her, we'll try and change our voices a little bit. Like we are going to be using our soprano voices, and we're just keeping our fingers crossed. Yeah, man. We'll just
and we've called her with this number before, by the way, but once. So I don't know if she saved
once
it.
I'm hoping.
Yeah, I'm hoping she didn't save this number.
Yeah, but
okay,
let's just call and see what happens, you know.
Yeah. So let me find her, Yvonne.
Don't call the wrong number.
Yvonne. Okay, let's see.
Ringing, she's not picking up. I don't know if she's at work or
she might be busy right now. Okay, so we are going to try someone else, because maybe she might be busy. I don't know. Let's try Alvin Achwoga. So we are going to call Alvin because Yvonne's number is busy. Hopefully he won't recognize our voice.
to use soprano.
Hello?
Hello.
Hi, am I talking to Alvin?
Yes, you're talking to Alvin.
Okay, so you've been recommended. You're talking to Linda from K24. And we are about to start a new show, and we are looking for a host. And you've been recommended by Miss Lydia. Do you know Madam Lydia?
Yes.
Yeah, she gave me your number and told me you can really host good in Swahili. Yeah, so consider this a phone interview. What do you think about this?
It's a good opportunity.
Okay, and consider this a phone interview. So I want you to just do a small demo for me, please, if you would. Just a small introduction of, let's say, a show.
A show? How many seconds of me?
Just do a small interview, a small introduction.
On any issue, or is it a specific one?
Just anything, do anything.
Okay, no problem.
It can even be an entertainment show.
Okay.
Hello?
Hello?
Yeah?
Should I send it to you?
No, right now we are doing a phone interview.
A phone interview?
Yeah, so I want to hear how you can host in Swahili.
How I can host in Swahili, right?
Yeah.
Ni mwaka ambao umekuwa na changamoto zake, lakini ni furaha kubwa kwani tumefika mwisho wa mwaka tunaposherehekea Krismasi. Hapa sisi katika kipindi hiki cha burudani tunahakikisha kwamba unapata burudani ambayo haipatikani kwingine kokote, bali hapa katika runinga hii unayoipenda na unayoienzi. Kwa hivyo usibanduke msimu huu wa Krismasi, kwani tutakuwa tukikuletea muziki ambayo imebobea katika aina yake na ambayo itakufurahisha wewe na familia yako.
Okay, Alvin. Thank you so much. I'd like to tell you that you did well. You did well, so but you're being pranked. This is Maren and Maureen. And you didn't say anything.
I was just playing along.
Oh, you were sing along, really?
Hii sauti vile unajua nini sijawahi waambia by the way. Sauti zenu zinafanana. Mimi sijaijua Marlin ni nani. Ni nani.
Lakini
hata namba niko nayo ya mmoja wenu. Nimesave Marlin Mori.
Okay.
But
nilikuwa na kuambia nilishindwa kuwa differentiate kabisa.
Oh god. Anyway.
lakini mbona uliamua ku go along na sisi at work K24?
Unajua mara ya mwisho nilisikia K24.
Ikaku confuse.
Nilienda kwa interview.
Okay.
Lakini ilikuwa PR tu.
Yeah. Okay, so this is just a prank. You're doing a YouTube video. Sini sawa tukikupost.
What did you record?
No, we are recording right now.
Okay, I
So thanks.
Karibu sana.
Okay, so that one, I wouldn't say it was a fail because we did what was intended, but he recognized our voice.
Because you didn't change your voice.
You try and then, okay, I don't know.
I constantly told you to change your voice. Damn
It's okay, call Namiso.
I hope I'll change my voice. If you did bad, I hope I won't do worse. Anywho, let me see. Namiso.
So what are we going to tell Namiso?
Namiso.
We are calling from Y254.
No, Y254, will she fall for that?
Okay, what do we tell her?
I really don't know.
I don't know. Okay, let's just, you'll say whatever.
Okay.
The person you have called is not reachable.
Oh
Man, this wasn't her day.
You when the mobile.
Okay, who else do we call?
Let's call Yvonne, but if Alvin recognized our voice,
Yvonne is definitely going to
Going to
recognize us for
oh
sure.
my
She's
God.
like our best friend. If she doesn't, that is going to be shocking. We
But
tell her
no,
we are from what station?
I don't know.
We could say Y254.
But would she
But
believe
that's
us?
it's going to be a telltale.
Let me
cause
see. Hi Yvonne, hi. How are you?
That is
Oh,
that's too
that's
obvious.
Hi Yvonne, how are you? Oh, let me. Let's
Just do it,
oh my
just
god,
do
this is
it.
gonna be an epic fail. Okay, let's see.
And can we call who? Weaver.
Nah.
Who else do we call? Someone who is.
She might be asleep or
At the studio, maybe.
at the studio or watching a movie. I hope she won't recognize us. Oh. What's with people? Why are people not
Amoy, can you try calling
available
Amoy?
right now?
Try calling Amoy.
Man.
So right now we're going to try and calling Brian Amoy.
Even
We hope although he knows us very well, will this
yeah.
work?
I don't know.
I don't know. Let's just try. I don't know if it's going to work.
Oh my goodness. Which number does he often use?
Of course, he can use any.
Hello.
Hello, how are you, Amoy?
I'm doing fine, thank you.
So I've gotten your number from Madame Lydia.
Oh damn! How did you know?
No, your voice is so like I was like, this is a new number, but I have to find out who the voice like belongs to.
Oh God, that's
So
an,
I know your voice. Come on.
it's an epic failure. You know, we are shooting
wanted
a
to
video
prank-
right now.
Yeah, a YouTube video, and we wanted to prank our
Our
friends.
friends.
The new number.
Yeah, we wanted to prank you that.
I'm so sorry. I didn't know that.
No, you should be sorry.
It's okay.
I think your voices cannot fool me.
Oh Lord.
Unless you want something on your mouth, you cover it with something. That's probably when I'll be like, okay, business. But you can.
Oh my god, and I thought we were going to fool fool, but there's some people we really can't fool.
Oh.
Yeah, we are.
You can fool. I think you are one of those people you can fool.
Actually, that is
Actually, like,
true.
I listen to our entire seconds. I'm like, this is marriage.
Oh Lord. Anyway, we. Oh Lord. Anyway, we're shooting a YouTube video right now. You okay with us posting this?
There's no problem. There's no problem. We can go ahead with that.
Okay, so let us look for our next victim and try and fool them.
Okay, so.
Okay, bye. Oh damn, that's an epic feeling. Let's go to the next person. Let's try and call January. Although January will know us. So right now we're trying to call, but these people know our voices. Oh God, can you? I don't know. Let me just ask the audience back. Can you like people?
I don't think
can
you
you
have
people
one
fool
of
your
those
friends?
voices. Like,
Okay, can you people fool your friends on a phone? On a phone call.
I mean, we managed to do it once, but why isn't it working?
I don't know why it's not working. Anyway,
Okay,
let's just try another person. Oh, and I think we did pretty well.
But you know, you nearly sold us out
I
when I was talking, and then she grabbed
God.
the phone.
I had forgotten.
Girl,
I had
and then,
forgotten.
you know, she doesn't even cover her nose or nothing like that. She just, so you want,
But at least now we know something that works, yeah?
No,
So
well,
can we
it
call
nearly
someone else?
works.
Or we call Weaver?
No, let's try Alvico. Yeah, let's try Alvico. I think this will be our last call for the day.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's been a while.
So
since we
covering
talked
the
to
nose
him.
actually works. So let's
A bit, yeah, it does. Oh my God, I hope he doesn't recognize us.
This is another person who knows us really
Yeah.
well. Or Antumbi. Let's
Nah.
call Antumbi.
Let's call Alvico.
Oh gosh, I would like to prank this girl anyway. Let's.
So let's see. Wait.
Should we say?
Hello.
Hello, how are you?
Hi.
Am I talking to Alvico?
Yes.
Hello?
I'm Nimani.
Oh God, yeah, it's Maren. Sasa. Aki wewe tulikuwa tunataka kuprank. Tulikuwa tunataka kuprank but unajua sauti zetu. Oh my goodness, unaendeleaje lakini? Okay, sawa basi acha kwanza tuhame because tuna shoot YouTube video na tulikuwa tunataka kuprank na imefail. Epic failure. Sawa basi tutaongea tu. Okay, so thanks, bye.
Damn. Our voices are so okay, or we don't know how to.
To hide our
But at
voices.
least we managed to prank two people.
Yeah,
who
we
fell into
tried,
it. Even if our
right?
voices were familiar, sikia vile tunajitetea. Even if our voices were familiar, at least they didn't make us out until the last bit of the call. Yeah, so
It wasn't all that bad.
Bad.
Should we call somebody else?
I've lost hope.
You lost hope.
Yeah.
Anyway, guys, just remember to comment down below and tell us what you think about this video.
And also tell us who was your favorite caller. Is it Alvin? Was it Esther January? Or was it Amwai? Or was it Alvico? And you can also tell us your the best reaction from the calls. What was your best reaction from the calls? Okay.
Okay, thanks. Bye.
Bye.